Welcome to this video in which we will show you how to test winding resistance with iCT1 winding resistance of a CT. We have already explained in the previous video how to do the connections. So right now let me show you how to do the winding resistance. You press here and it's really an easy test. You need to say all if you want to measure all taps. All. You need to choose what will be the current, so since this is something to 5 CT, I'm using 5 amps, and we can also choose whether we want to do a temperature compensation. We need to say, do we express temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, in this case in Celsius. Right now the temperature is 25 degrees here in the room, and the reference temperature, so the value of the resistance originally was measured at some temperature, in this case is 40 degrees. Usually it's 65, 75, 85, but this was measured at 40 degrees. So I press OK, and the only thing I need to do is to press the start button and click yes. So we will see now the generated current, generated DC current here. It should be about 5 amps, so 5.0262725. Measured resistance and compensated resistance for taps X1, X5. Now we're doing X1, X4, and we see, of course, how the resistance reduces because we are measuring the resistance of less windings. We are now finishing tap 3. The next one will be tap 2, and we can see that the resistance is between 0.58, 0.43, 0.34 and 0.11. These values are fail because I haven't written the nominal values, or I've left wrong nominal values for these positions. And that's how you do the winding resistance test on an iCT1. Let me mention that also automatic mode is what we've done, but you can also do it in a manual way. And as I mentioned before, if you don't know how to connect, go to menu, press help, and you will see how the connection needs to be done. So the same connection is for this test, for ratio test, for excitation curve, accuracy, CT Explorer, and yeah, that's it. So I can go back and I can save this result. I go down and I say save file. So this one we will call CT winding. I'm going to save on a memory and I'm going to click save file. And I have my file here. Let me just show you how I can remove that test from the test plan, because later we will show you also how to run the whole test plan. I just press here and I hold, and then I say, are you sure you want to delete this tab? I will press OK, and this will be done. So this is how you delete this tab. Thank you for your attention, and in the next video we will show you how to do excitation curve